Hello! In this video, we will discuss RFQ. RFQ stands for Request for Quotation. Through this feature, you can invite bids from your vendors, compare the bids and create PO to the most suitable vendor. Let's see how we can create an RFQ in on-site. First, let's go to the Procurement tab. Click on New RFQ and select the project. Here, we will select Etihad House project. We can see the open material requests in this project. Here, we can add start and end dates for the bid. After adding the start and end dates, we can add the suppliers. Let's send this RFQ to two different vendors, Alpha Traders and Bharat. Our RFQ is now ready and we can save and publish it. To send it to the vendors, let's go to the RFQ we just created. Click on Send. Add the email ID from which you want to send email. Then add email ID and phone number of the vendors and send them the RFQ. Once the mail is received by the vendors, vendor will quote the prices in the RFQ. And we will be able to view the prices quoted. Now, let's move to vendor's view. Vendor has logged into their email and can see the RFQ request here. In the email, click Reply and the RFQ screen will open. Here, vendor can quote his prices. Vendor is charging 400 and 500 for the two items. Vendor can also add delivery dates for the different items. This is how vendor will submit his quotation. Now, let's move back to our screen. We can go into the RFQ and view supplier entries. Alpha Traders has submitted its quote. But Bharat vendor has not submitted the quote, so you can get the prices on a call and add the prices here manually. Just click on Reply and add the vendor prices and delivery dates here. So either the vendor can submit quotations or reply, or you can punch his quotation manually. Once quotations are submitted, let's compare the different bids. Alpha Traders offers lower rates than Bharat vendor, so I'm selecting them for both the materials. I will select both and convert to PO. Now I am creating a PO. I can add all the details here required for purchase order and publish the PO. Once the purchase order is created, you can approve this and send the purchase order to the vendor. To send the PO, you can directly WhatsApp it or email it to the vendor from here. So this is how you can create RFQ, receive bids, compare bids and convert RFQ to PO. This way you can use RFQ feature to get the best price for your materials. Thank you.